Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're going to be looking at the best tips for growing and maintaining your Cowrywise emergency fund. Now I'm going to give you the tips. The first tip is make savings automatic. By setting up recurring savings on Cowrywise to stay consistent without overthinking. Second tip is to take advantage of one-time windfalls. That is, did you get a bonus, a tax refund, or unexpected cash gift? Use a portion to boost your emergency fund. That is tip number 3, is to monitor your progress. Check your Cowrywise dashboard regularly to track growth and adjust savings as needed. This is a dashboard. So here you can check your portfolio, your balance, and check your growth. You can see I have no savings. I haven't done anything like that. So next, you have to monitor your progress. That is the fourth. Is that the fourth? That should be the third. Yeah. Third emergency is to monitor your progress. Now I'm going to just 3. Let me just give you just 3 for now. Yes. So to recap, tip 1 is to make savings automatic. Tip 2, take advantage of one-time windfalls. And tip 3 is to monitor your progress. So what are you waiting for? Start your emergency fund today with Cowrywise. The best time to start saving was yesterday. The next best time is now. You see, an emergency fund is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Secure your financial future today by setting up an emergency fund on Cowrywise. So you can check out our video on how to set up an emergency fund on Cowrywise to get started today and take control of your financial well-being. See you in the next video.